Now, this is topic number 8.3.4 redox reaction में limitation. Now, we will discuss here limitation of concept of oxidation number. Limitation of concept of oxidation number. तो अभी तक है ना 8.3.3 तक हम लोग ने क्या डिस्कस किया है? As we have observed in the previous discussion, the concept of redox process has been evolving with time. Here, this is related with respect to time. Clear? As we have discussed up till now, we can say that concept of redox process has been evolving with time. So this process of evolution is continuing. In fact, in the recent past, the oxidation process is visualized as a decrease in electron density and reduction process. Here we can say that recent past oxidation process is visualized as a, here we can say the decrease in electron density and reduction process as an increase in electron density around the atom involved in the reaction. Clear? मतलब whenever we are calculating oxidation number, here means what will happen? The electron density will decreases and reduction process will increases. Clear? और उसके बाद कैसा होता है? तो redox process is related with respect to time. If time consumption will be more, the reaction will be slow. But if time consumption will be less, the reaction will be fast here. Clear? तो limitation में क्या करना है आपको? The redox process has been evolving with time. So on the basis of time here, redox reaction can be explained. तो यहाँ क्या बोला? In fact, recent past oxidation process is visualized as a decrease in electron density and reduction process as an increase in electron density around the atom involved in the reaction. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? So this is one type of time consuming process, and with the help of oxidation number we cannot determine here which time. So this is limitation. Clear? अब आता है next topic. So next one we will discuss here topic number, we can say that 8 point here topic number 8.4. So now we will discuss here redox reaction and electrode process. Here redox reaction. So this one is redox reaction and electrode process. You know, see, so this is, we can say that zinc है and CuSO4, तो ZnSO4 and copper will come. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, और तो this is zinc Cu plus 2 Zn plus 2, Cu will be there. So zinc से Zn plus 2 oxidation will be there. Cu plus 2 से Cu, so this is reduction will be there. Clear? Now experiment corresponding to reaction can also be observed if zinc rod, see, zinc rod is deep in copper sulfate. So this one is again means copper sulfate. The redox reaction take place and during the reaction zinc is oxidized. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Whenever we can say that reaction will start, तो zinc will be here oxidized. Clear हुआ? Redox reaction take place during the reaction, zinc is oxidized to zinc plus iron. देखो zinc से Zn plus 2 हो रहा है कि नहीं? Now here similarly we can say that copper ions are reduced to metallic copper ion. जैसे देखो copper plus 2 से आपका क्या होता है? Here means C, so this will be again we can say that reduced one. मतलब whenever we are interacting zinc with copper sulfate solution, then here zinc will be oxidized while we can say that copper will be reduced one. Clear? So now here the zinc is oxidized zinc ion, copper ions are reduced to metallic copper ion, are reduced to metallic copper due to direct transfer of electron from zinc to copper ion. So what is meaning of direct transfer? तो देखो इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. Here zinc, so Zn plus 2 electron. Similarly Cu plus 2 electron Cu, मतलब whatever electron will be donated by zinc, same electron will be accepted by this copper. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? So that type of thing will be given here. Clear? And whenever zinc will react with copper sulfate, then thermodynamically here heat is evolved. Thermodynamically here we can say that heat is evolved. मतलब whenever zinc is converted into Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 is converted into copper, here we can say that heat is evolved. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? अब आपको क्या करना है? See, so this is we can say that one type of displacement reaction. You know, in activity series of metal, we can say that zinc is more powerful as compared to copper. Therefore, zinc can displace copper, but copper cannot displace out zinc here. Clear? अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे. Now we modify. See, अभी तक जो हुआ, now we modify experiment in such a manner that for the same redox reaction, transfer of electron take place indirectly. Clear? Here what will happen? Transfer of electron will take place directly. But now we will change here some method where we can say that here electron, transfer of electron will take place indirectly. So this necessitates the separation of zinc metal from copper sulfate solution. अभी क्या किया था? जिंक को कॉपर सल्फेट में डिप किया था. Here direct transfer of electron will take place. But अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Now we will start indirect transfer. तो for indirect transfer, now zinc will be put separately. मतलब जिंक को कॉपर सल्फेट में आपको डिप नहीं करना है. So this necessitates the separation of zinc metal from copper sulfate solution. Now we take copper sulfate solution in beaker and put a copper strip. अब आपको क्या करना है? कॉपर सल्फेट में कॉपर को रखना है. क्लियर? यहाँ पे सेपरेट करके कॉपर सल्फेट में कॉपर स्ट्रिप रखना है. Now we also take ZnSO4 solution in another beaker and put a zinc rod or strip in it. Now reaction take place either we can say that the beaker and at the interface मतलब layer, where we can say that electrode and electrolyte will touch to each other. Interface of the metal and its salt solution in each beaker. So both the reduced, here we can say that both the reduced and oxidized form of the same species are present. So this represent the species in reduction and oxidation half reaction. So this is we can say that reduction and oxidation half reaction. देखो इसको करना क्या है? इनडायरेक्ट मतलब सी. तो whenever you are interested to move indirect movement, so normally what we are doing? See, ये क्या करने का? तो this is we can say that ZnSO4. तो ZnSO4 electrolyte में we are dipping here zinc electrode and similarly आपको क्या करना है? See, so this one is copper sulfate. तो copper sulfate में we are dipping here we can say that copper electrode. Clear? यहाँ क्या था? We are dipping zinc strip in copper sulfate solution. पर इधर पे क्या होता है? डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विल टेक प्लेस. बट हम लोग को क्या करना है? इनडायरेक्ट करना है. तो फॉर वी कैन से दैट इनडायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? We are dipping zinc rod in ZnSO4 and copper rod in we can say that CuSO4 is there. Clear? So on the basis of this, here now one definition will come. So that is we can say that one is nothing but it is again we can say that redox couple. देखो यहाँ पे जो रिएक्शन होगा ना जिंक से Zn plus 2 electron and Cu plus 2 electron, Cu will be there. तो देखो इसको हम लोग ऑक्सीडेशन बोलते हैं एंड दिस वन इज रिडक्शन इज देयर. क्लियर? इसको हाफ रिएक्शन बोलते हैं, है ना? नाउ अ रेडॉक्स कपल इज डिफाइंड एज हैविंग टुगेदर द ऑक्सीडाइज्ड एंड रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस टेकिंग पार्ट इन ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन. मतलब दोनों को यदि मैं कंबाइन करूं तो उसी को हम लोग रेडॉक्स कपल बोलते हैं. So this is definition of redox couple. Correct? So this one is definition of redox couple. ठीक है? Now ये टॉपिक सेम है. Here we can say that redox reaction and electrode we can say that process है ना. यहाँ पे representation of redox couple. So how this representation of redox couple can be done? To see, so this is represented by separating the oxidized form from the reduced form by a vertical, मतलब ऐसा vertical line or slash, मतलब this one representing an interface. Example, solid solution. Clear? So this is represented by separating the oxidized form from the reduced form by a vertical line or a slash representing an interface. Example, solid solution. For example, in this experiment, the two redox couples are represented by Zn plus 2 zinc और Cu plus 2 Cu. तो देखिए इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, ये इलेक्ट्रोड है, ये भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, ये इलेक्ट्रोड है. क्लियर? इन बोथ केसेस ऑक्सीडाइज्ड फॉर्म इज पुट बिफोर द रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म. In both places, oxidized form is put before we can say that here means reduced form. Clear? So this is we can say that scientific representation of redox couple. So this one is scientific representation of we can say that here means redox couple. देखो इसी को आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे देखो यहाँ पे whenever we can say that reaction will start, तो आपको क्या करना है? See, ये है, जैसे ये जिंक है, तो दिस इज जिंक Zn plus 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. क्लियर? और ऐसे ही आता है Cu plus 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Cu will be there. तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ E. तो यहाँ क्या लिखने का? जिंक Zn plus 2, ये स्लैश है ना. ऐसे देखो ये Cu plus 2 और ये Cu है. So this will represent electrode potential of oxidized form, while this will represent electrode potential of reduced form here. Clear? So one will represent oxidized form, or we can say that see ये electrode potential of oxidized form, electrode potential at आपका normally reduced form. NTP पे हो तो ऐसा और STP हो तो we are putting here में 0. इसे बोलते हैं स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. क्लियर? अब आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. सी जैसे दिस वन इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड देन स्लैश एंड दिस वन इज इलेक्ट्रोड. तो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट? इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ आयनिक फॉर्म. करेक्ट? तो नाउ वी विल अप्लाई सेम कंसेप्ट इन डैनियल सेल. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल अप्लाई सेम कंसेप्ट, मतलब जो अभी तक आपने रीड किया है उसको अप्लाई करना है. तो डैनियल सेल, तो सी हियर एनोड इज देयर एंड हियर कैथोड मेटालिक स्ट्रिप. तो वी आर डिपिंग एनोड इन ZnSO4 and here copper in we can say that CuSO4 is there. Clear? So this two rod is connected with metallic wire where we can say that switch is given. Clear? So this green portion will represent salt bridge. ये 12th में फिर से आएगा. So this green portion will represent here we can say that salt bridge. In case of left hand side, oxidation will take place. So zinc will donate Zn plus 2 electron. Similarly here reduction, so Cu plus 2 electron, तो copper will be there. Clear हुआ? तो now we are arranging, जैसा भी नहीं पहले हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था. तो now we are arranging anode means zinc left hand side and cathode right hand side. Clear? तब देखो यहाँ पे salt bridge है. तो what is we can say that which type of material we are using in case of salt bridge? The salt bridge will include as a solute we are using KCl or ammonium nitrate. As a solute we are using either we can say that KCl or ammonium nitrate inside agar-agar jelly. तो पहले आपको solution बनाना है. तो for that purpose what we are doing? So we are taking agar-agar jelly and then after we are dissolving. We are dissolving sufficient amount of either KCl or ammonium nitrate. Clear? And then after we are filling this solution in glass tube whose shape is U, and then we are putting this salt bridge like this one. Clear? Now it will provide. So what is function of salt bridge? So this will provide an electric contact between the two solution without allowing them to mix with each other. ये एक दूसरे को मिक्स नहीं होने देता है, बट है इट विल अगेन वी ट्राई टू मेंटेन इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी। समझ में आया कि नहीं? चलो अब ये तो फंक्शन हो गया सॉल्ट ब्रिज का। अब क्या करना है, द जिंक एंड कॉपर rods are connected by a metallic wire with a provision for an ammeter. So this is ammeter and a switch. So with the help of ammeter we can find out how much amount of current will be again generated here. Switch क्या करता है, on और off करने के लिए जरूरी है। Clear? तो when the switch है ना, अब क्या करना है switch, तो when the switch is in off condition, suppose if switch is again in off condition, so no reaction take place. Here we can say that if your switch is in off position, so no reaction take place in either of the beaker and no current flow through the metallic wire. But if switch is in on position, then we make following observation. मतलब जब आपका स्विच ऑन होगा तब जाके करंट फ्लो करता है, यदि ऑफ होगा तो करंट फ्लो कैन नॉट बी सीन हियर। तो चलो whenever switch is again in on position, then what will happen? The transfer of electron now does not take place directly from zinc to Cu+2, है ना, but through the metallic wire connecting the two rods, as is apparent from the arrow which indicate the flow of current. तो देखो यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है, ये रहा, तो फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होगा, एनोड टू कैथोड होता है, बट करंट जो होता है ना दैट इज कैथोड टू, हियर वी कैन से दैट एनोड। क्लियर? डायरेक्शन, तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ वी कैन से दैट हियर मींस करंट कैन बी सीन। सिमिलरली electricity from the solution in one beaker to solution in other beaker flows by the migration of ion. Electricity कैसे होगा? It can be again explained with the help of migration of ion. Which ion? Sulfate ion. Through the salt bridge. We know that flow of current is passing only if there is a potential difference. Here we can say that potential difference between the copper and zinc rod, है ना? Copper and zinc rod is there, known as electrodes here. Clear? तब देखो इलेक्ट्रोड किसको बोलते हैं, इसको जिंक इलेक्ट्रोड है, and then after we can say that here means copper electrodes are there. Clear? तो देखो अब इसमें क्या होगा, तो whenever process will start, then in case of zinc oxidation will take place, and here we can say that reduction will take place. Clear हुआ? Here we can say that oxidation and then after reduction will take place. So this is we can say that electrode. So potential of electrode is represented with the help of capital E. The capital E will represent electrode potential. मतलब motion of electron will be again explained on the basis of, here we can say that either switch is present in on position or off one. Correct? Now in case of Daniell cell अब क्या करना है, तो कंटिन्यू टॉपिक है। Here potential associated with each electrode is known as electrode potential. Potential means power होता है, इसका मतलब with the help of that power here motion of electron will take place. If the concentration of each species taking part in electrode reaction is unity, मतलब 1. If any gas appear in the electrode reaction, it is confined to 1 atmospheric pressure. Clear? And further the reaction is carried out at 298 Kelvin, then the potential of each electrode is said to be standard electrode potential. So this is nothing but it is known as standard electrode potential, represented with the help of E0. Clear? The potential associated with each electrode is known as electrode potential. If the concentration of each species taking part in electrode reaction is unity, और condition क्या है? See, if any gas appear in the electrode reaction, it is confined to 1 atmospheric pressure. Clear हुआ? 1 atmospheric pressure and further the reaction is carried out at 298 Kelvin, then the potential of each electrode is said to be standard electrode potential. Clear? By convention, the E0 of hydrogen electrode is 0.00 volt. मतलब with the help of SHE, we can find out either oxidation half or reduction half of any metal. The electrode potential value for each electrode process is measure of the relative tendency of active species in the process to remain in oxidized or reduced form. Clear? Here we can say that what will happen? By convention, the E0 of hydrogen electrode is 0.00 volt. The electrode potential value for each electrode process is measure of relative tendency of an active species in the process to remain in oxidized or reduced form. Now, if E0 is negative, means that redox couple is stronger reducing agent than H plus H2, मतलब SHE की बात चल रही है. Similarly, a positive E0 means that redox couple is weaker, इधर stronger आएगा, इधर weaker आता है. Clear? Reducing agent then the H plus H2 couple. Clear? Now next one, the standard electrode potential. The standard electrode potentials are very important and we can get a lot of other useful information from them. The values of standard electrode potential for some selected electrode process मतलब reduction reaction are given in table. तो टेबल से हम लोग को पता चल जाता है. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? तो दिस इज कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. अरे वो ये है ना टेबुलर फॉर्म में सबका रिडक्शन हाफ और ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ दिया हुआ है. सेम टॉपिक विल कम इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड. सेम टॉपिक विल कम इन केस ऑफ 12th स्टैंडर्ड. क्लियर हुआ? और वहां पे इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री चैप्टर में पूरा आएगा. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? अगर ये है ना सेम चीज जितना मैंने अभी बताया डेनियल सेल में, तो डेनियल सेल में कैसा होता है आपको है ना सिंपल एक चीज में बताता हूँ. सी पूरे का पूरा जितना भी मैंने बताया, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन फिगर वी विल डिस्कस हियर कि हाउ वी कैन से दैट फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विल टेक प्लेस. ये है ना 12th का टॉपिक है. 12th में आपको डिटेल में फिर से आ जाएगा. क्लियर? तो चलो अभी जैसा मैं यहाँ पे फिगर के थ्रू बता रहा हूँ. सी so this one is half cell and this one is second half cell is there. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हम लोग जिंक लेते हैं और यहाँ पे क्या करना है, तो here we are taking copper. इधर पे here we are using ZnSO4 and here we are using CuSO4 is there. इधर पे हम लोग यहाँ salt bridge लेते हैं. तो this is we can say that salt bridge and it is connected with metallic wire. ये कॉटन प्लग है. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? अरे यहाँ पे क्या है, तो this one is anode and this one is cathode. तो रिएक्शन कैसा होगा? सी तब देखो ZnSO4 ये Zn plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. So whenever process will start, then zinc and sulfate both will try to deposit on this anode. Zinc and sulfate both will try to deposit on anode, but here what will happen? Sulfate will deposit on anode, but motion of electron of zinc will start from, we can say that, this metallic wire. From this electrolyte, sulfate will deposit here. Therefore, charge of anode will be negative. और ये जो जिंक है ना, जिंक, it will again be transferred from this metallic wire in right hand side. Correct? तब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ जिंक इज देयर. अब आपको पता है जिंक इज मोर पावरफुल एज कंपेयर टू कॉपर. तो देखो यहाँ पे भी क्या हो जाएगा, here Cu plus 2 SO4 minus 2 is there. क्लियर? इसमें भी क्या होना चाहिए, सल्फेट डिपॉजिट होना चाहिए, है ना, और कॉपर रिपल होना चाहिए. बट हियर ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन नाउ प्रोसेस विल चेंज. व्हिच टाइप ऑफ प्रोसेस विल चेंज? तो Cu plus 2 ion will deposit on copper. So here Cu plus 2 ion will deposit on copper. तो finally here the charge of cathode will be positive. और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, as time will increases, then concentration of Cu+2 will decrease and sulfate will increases. अब ये जो सल्फेट आयन है, it will transfer from right hand side to left hand side. Clear? It means in left hand side deposition of sulfate ion will take place, and right hand side deposition of Cu+2 will again take place from electrolyte to electrode. In this way circuit is completed. देखो outside circuit यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ये लेफ्ट और ये राइट है, तो आउटसाइड सर्किट जिंक टू कॉपर एंड इनसाइड सर्किट कॉपर टू जिंक विल बी देयर. In this way your circuit is completed. अब how we can remember this complete phenomenon? तो आपको एक वर्ड याद रखने का, LOAN. L का मतलब होता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, O मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन, A मतलब एनोड और इसका मतलब होता है नेगेटिव. ऐसे देखो वहां पे लेफ्ट था, तो here we can say that right hand side oxidation, so here we can say that reduction is there. Anode, so this one is cathode, negative, तो ये आपका क्या आ जाता है, पॉजिटिव. समझ में आया? अब देखो यहाँ रिएक्शन कौन सा हो रहा है, तो देखो ये जिंक है, Zn+2 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, और इधर पे क्या है, Cu+2 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, Cu will be there. तो इसी को हम लोग कैसे बताते हैं, E जिंक Zn+2 and here E Cu+2 Cu will be there. तो what is E? E is electrode potential. इसका साइंटिफिक नोटेशन क्या है, देखो this is electrode, then after electrolyte, फिर आ जाएगा electrode and then after electrolyte is there. So this single line will represent interface and the double line will represent, here we can say that salt bridge. तो ये है पूरा कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. समझ में आया? ये पूरे का पूरा 12th में आपको फिर से आएगा. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल.